It's finally here, the 200 subscribers celebration video, and it's been long enough now that I am actually not 100% sure who my 200th subscriber is, and the reason is because two different people have claimed that spot. And it's a milestone spot. I mean, like, it's cool, I guess. I mean, if it's cool at all, it's cooler to be, like, on one of the 100th videos, you know? And so I feel bad just saying, ooh, like, this is the comment I saw first that said 200, that they were the 200th subscriber. So, I don't want to differentiate, but I want to give everybody their own video, so I'm in a weird, awkward spot. But anyway, so what I'm going to do, the two subscribers that both claimed the 200th position, one was Gwen McDonald Rosa, so thank you very much for subscribing. The other was Cake Christopher 5G LT, the Hurricane Tracker, I believe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I hope to make it exciting. I'm busting out the sledgehammer again, and we're gonna get some sick slow-mo shots. Okay, so you guys probably remember these pumpkins from a few videos ago. Well, as you know, Halloween's over, so it's only fitting that we give these guys a proper burial. And by that, I mean I'm just going to smash them with my sledgehammer and do so in slow-mo, so hopefully it turns out kind of cool. I think I'm going to do them both at once, like we'll have both pumpkins on top of each other just like they are now and see if I can get through both of them. I think that would be exciting.